We have become connoisseurs of comfort, master architects of ease, unknowingly building the most insidious prison of all. It is a cage fashioned not from iron bars, but from soft cushions and smooth surfaces, a confinement so subtle, so seemingly benevolent, that its captives rarely even notice their chains. This is the great deception of our age, the pursuit of total, unblemished comfort, the relentless eradication of every sharp edge, every rough patch, every unwelcome friction. Consider the nature of humanity. We were not forged in stillness. We are creatures of adaptation, born from struggle, refined by resistance. Our very bodies, if never challenged, waste away. Our minds, if never stretched, grow flabby and dull. And what of the spirit? That deeper core, the wellspring of resilience, courage, and wisdom, what becomes of it when life demands nothing? When every potential inconvenience is outsourced, every discomfort cushioned, every challenge circumvented? We craft an existence designed to spare us all difficulty, all effort, all pain. We pave over the rough paths, silence the dissenting voices, medicate the inconvenient emotions. We insulate ourselves from the raw, unedited truth of existence. We call this progress. We call this success. But I ask you, what good is a ship that has never known a storm? How will it ever learn to hold its course, to weather the gale, to find its way through turbulent seas? Its timbers remain untested, its captain unskilled. It drifts, complacent, until the first true squall tears it asunder. This constant buffering from reality, this cult of the frictionless life, does not make us stronger. It makes us brittle. It dulls the very faculties that distinguish us as human. Where is courage born, if not in the face of fear? Where is patience cultivated, if not in the midst of delay? Where is wisdom found, if not through the hard-won lessons of error and consequence? These virtues, which are the very sinews of a robust spirit, wither and atrophy when never called upon. They become theoretical concepts, not lived realities. We are told to seek peace, and indeed, peace is a noble pursuit. But not the peace of stagnation, the quiet of an empty grave. The true peace, the kind that endures, is forged in the crucible of inner calm amidst external chaos. It is the peace of knowing you can face whatever comes, not because nothing ever troubles you, but because you have built an inner citadel strong enough to withstand it. Look around. See the impatience, the quick offense, the spiritual flabbiness that arises when the smallest discomfort is perceived as a catastrophe. We lose the capacity for endurance, for meaningful effort, for the deep satisfaction that comes only after overcoming genuine resistance. We become prisoners of our own ease, terrified of anything that might disrupt our self-made serenity, mistaking the absence of pain for the presence of true joy. The external world, by its very design, will always present friction. It will always offer trials. To shield ourselves entirely from this is to deny our own nature, to refuse the very sculpting hand that shapes character. To avoid the struggle is to opt for a life unlived, a potential unreached. Your spirit, like a muscle, demands resistance to grow. Deny it that, and it will shrink, it will soften, it will decay, until nothing remains but a hollow echo where a vibrant soul once resided. Do not mistake comfort for happiness. Do not confuse ease with liberation. The chains of gold are still chains, and the softest prison still denies you the vast, wild freedom of your own potential. The price of total comfort is the slow, insidious death of the human spirit itself.